Very good morning, my dear friends and channel viewers. Myself, Dr. M.H. Annaya. And friends, in today's YouTube video, we are going to learn the projection of a pentagonal pyramid, which is resting on one of its triangular faces on VP. So friends, finally it has to rest on this triangular face OAB on VP finally, such that an edge of the base, that is say one of the shorter edges of the triangular face, is on the line of intersection of VP and HP. The line of intersection of VP and HP is the line XY. So finally the short edge should lie on that. The triangular face totally should be on VP. And friends, you will be able to see the pentagonal base distorted in the top view. In the front view also you see the pentagonal face. And to start with friends, it is very essential that we have to place the pyramid on HP such that this is to the this triangular face which is going to rest on VP should come to your right side in the top view. So I place the pyramid like this and obtain the top and front views of the pyramid. So friends, mark XY line and we will mark a pentagon, a regular pentagon of side 30 millimeter. Yeah, it is 30 millimeter, and we have to obtain the corresponding top and front views of this. Friend, this is how the top view looks. I have kept one of the sides perpendicular to VP and we will call this as A, B, C, D, etc. A, B, C, D, E. This is the base and we locate the center of this base, that is center O1, and we will join that to all the corners of the pyramid like A, B, C, D and E. Friends, this is the top view of the pyramid resting on HP on one of its base. So we will call this as O, the vertex of the solid. Friends, you have written the top view of the solid. Let us obtain the front view by projecting lines from all these. So you will get this A dash, B dash here, and on this you are going to get C and E. So we'll call it as C dash, E dash. So this is C dash, E dash. The last point is D. So we'll obtain D on this, D dash. So friends, this line D dash, C dash, E dash, A dash, B dash has got 5 points, and this represents the pentagonal base of the pyramid. And friends, from this center we will draw a vertical line, and on that line we mark a height of 65 millimeter. The height of the solid is 65. So I will mark 65 millimeter here. We denote this point as O dash. O dash is the front view of the vertex, and we join this vertex to all the corners of the base like O dash D dash, O dash C dash, O dash E dash, O dash E dash, and O dash A dash and B dash. Finally, there are 5 slant edges OA to OE. Friends, this is the center of the base and we represent it as O1 dash. Now friends, I have placed the lamina on HP with one of the side coming to the right side like this, and I have got the top and front views of the lamina. Friends, this last line in the front view, that is O dash, A dash, B dash, represents one of the triangular face of the pyramid. One such, there are 5 such faces. This is one of the triangular face. So when it has to touch the wall, we have to make it to stand vertical. So what I do, I redraw this O dash, A dash, B dash such that it is to say vertical or perpendicular to HP, so that it can be easily placed on the wall. So friends, I am going to redraw this figure, that is figure number 1 as figure number 2 with this triangular face O dash, A dash, B dash normal to HP. So this is recorded as A dash, B dash, that is normal to HP, and we will mark the corresponding points. This is D dash, and here you get C dash, E dash. Simply you can take this measurement and mark on that friend, and we have to join that to this. Then you have got this axis O dash, O1 dash. So this is perpendicular, and this point is going to be O1 dash. Friends, figure number 1 is redrawn as figure number 2 with the same dimension by making this triangular face perpendicular to HP. Triangular face perpendicular to HP. And friends, let us see how does it look in the top view. So we'll project these points one by one and find out how does it look in the top view. Friends, this is a line from A and B. This is point A. Similarly, you get point B here. And remember friends, this measurement is 30 millimeter. So this remains the same. I'll just mark it here. This is 30 and even this will be 30. Then friends, we have got the other points like C and E, draw vertical line from there to get C and E. E will come here on this line, C on this line. Friends, we have got C and E. So this is point E and this is point C. Finally, D is exactly in between A and B, and this D, right, a vertical line from D, it touches here. Friends, you have got point A, B, C, this is D, and this point is E. We will join all these by straight lines, that is A to B, B to C, A to E, E to D, then C to D. Then friends, the vertex O is here. You draw a horizontal line from here, a vertical line from there. They meet exactly in the center of AB. We will call it as O. So O is to be joined to all the corners. So I am going to join O to E, then O to C, then O to D, O to A, and O to B. Friends, here you can observe in the top view the 3 points A, B, and O. These 3 points or this line AOB represents the top view of this triangular face O dash, A dash, B dash. And now friends, this AB, or you can say here the triangular face is now perpendicular to VP. Any line below the XY line perpendicular like this is perpendicular to VP, friends. Now what is to be done? We want this OAB to be on VP or on this wall. So I will show you the final position. So this is the triangular face. We made it vertical. We have to place it like that, so that this black color triangular face, that is one of the triangular face, is on VP. Friends, what we do here, we are going to redraw this figure number 3 such that this AOB or ABO is on the XY line. And friends, here let me mark the AB here. This is point A, point B. You can measure this distance and locate the point, all the points, or you can have a box constructed. I have told you in some of my previous videos. So we can have a box constructed and you can transfer all these points to that. Then friends, you can mark here the other points like so this point, and this is one such point, and we have this D exactly the middle of this point. So friends, I have just reproduced whatever the figure we have got here. I have a point figure here. So this is point A, point B, and this is point C. This is D, which comes exactly in the center, and this is point E. Friends, we will join all these by straight line. So A to E, and then we have this B to C. B to C will join. Then we have this point, this line. Exactly in the center of this, you have got O. This is A, O, B. That is the triangular face which is on VP, and hence it is seen on that. Friends, now we will transfer all these points to the front view. A and B lie here itself. So this is the point A dash, and this is point B dash. Then C and D will fall on this. So we'll write a horizontal line through C and E. So this point is C, a vertical through this, and this point is E on the line. So friends, we are going to have two more points. This is C dash, this point is E dash. Friends, we have this D. D is here the highest point of the base of the solid, and we have this point here, that is vertical line drawn through this D intersects with this. So this is going to be the point D dash. We have the complete base visible to us in the front view. So friends, we are going to join all these by straight line. So E to D, then D to C, C to this, here, and this point A, B, C, D, E. Now friends, the vertex of the solid is here. So we will have a point here, that is vertical through this, horizontal line through this point O, vertical through this will intersect here. So this is the vertex of the solid, which you call it as O dash. You know friends, when the object is resting on triangular face on VP, the complete base of the solid is visible to the observer in the front view. Hence I have shown all these by full line. Join O to E, that is O dash to E dash, O dash to C dash. Then when you are joining O dash to A dash, it is intersecting this line. And I have told you in one of my previous videos that whenever two lines intersect, and if one of the line is known to be a visible line, a dark line, or a full line, the other has to be dotted. So friends, here E dash D dash is known to be a full line, and hence this line joining O dash and A dash should be a dotted line. Like friends, here also, when you join O dash to B dash, it is intersecting CD. This is a full line already, so this has to be compulsorily a invisible line or a dotted line. And O1, if you want friends, you can have this vertical through this O and horizontal through that will give you. Now friends, you are going to join these points also here by full line. So this is the final top view, and this is the front view of the solid. And friends, you observe here that the problem satisfies all the requirements put forth in the question. That is, one of the edge should be on the line of intersection of HP and VP. That edge is AB, that is seen on XY line, both in the top view and in the front view, and hence this edge is on that. And the triangular face is O dash, A dash, B dash, that is perpendicular, and that O dash, A dash, B dash is an XY. So whenever any plane is on VP, its top view is seen as a line. So it is satisfying all the requirements put forth in the question. Friends, go through the complete video, and if you like this video, do share the information about this video and my channel with all your friends. Wish you best of luck and have a wonderful day.